Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are recreating the sweet yet powerful style of gaming royalty herself, Princess Peach. So whether you are into classic Nintendo vibes or just love a pop of pink with attitude, this look is 100% iconic and runaway ready. And let me show you the steps to create this look. As for the hair, first I'm going to go to the curly hair category and put on this hair, this pink one in here. And I'm going to use this yellow color for the hair, like Princess Peach. And then I'm going to combine it with this hair, but here, let's toggle it into only bangs. It's the same color. And last one, click on the updo hair and put on this hair, and again only use the bangs. Okay, once you're done with this hair, let's make the dress. So for the dress, I'm going to use this code items for the dress. Let's put on this top, and here I'm going to toggle it into just no sleeves, so it will look like this, the top only. And here I'm going to change the first color using this color in here. Okay, the second one also. And for the color, let's use a darker shade of pink, this color in here. So this is the previous one, and this is the color. You can use this hex code. Okay, let's also use this skirt. First preview these hex code, and the second one, this one, until the 4th. Okay, so this is for the dress, and let's complete the look with some more accessory. First, let's grab this earrings. So I'm going to use this earrings in here and change the color into this color here. You can copy the hex code. And then I'm going to grab the gloves. This one. Let's toggle it into no fur. And the color is white. And I'm going to also put on this puff and use the pink color like this. For the shoe, I'm going to wear this heels. Just use the pink color. And for the top, I'm going to combine it with this top in here to go it into tight and use the same color like this. And that's it. If you have VIP, you can also use crown for the hair. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.